Are you guys as excited as me? Are you? I have been waiting days to open this so we can do it on camera. So let's unbox this guy. Hey guys, do me a favor, stop what you're doing and click that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram. I need you to head over and give me a follow. Thanks in advance. Now on to the video. We got our Telfar. We got our Telfar. We got our Telfar. I'm so excited. You guys, I have been wanting to get one of these bags for a while and I keep missing out on the drops. Finally, I followed them on Instagram and you guys, we got a bag. It came days ago, by the way, and I love y'all so much that I waited to unbox it for y'all. I waited for y'all because I love y'all. That's what I do. That's what I do, okay? So I'm uber excited. If you have not been following me on Instagram, which you should, then you would not have known that I ended up finally getting the navy small Telfar shopper bag, whatever it's called. I'll put the exact name of it obviously down below in the description box and a link to it. You have to follow them on Instagram to get the drops, you guys. Like, I was just trying to randomly check the site every now and then. I don't know why I wasn't following them on Instagram, but if you follow them on Instagram, they tell you the exact date and time that they're going to drop. Like last week, they dropped, I think, 2 bags, 2 different colors. So they only drop 1 color at a time. At least that's how it's been for a while. And you just got to get them when they go up because they'll sell out in like an hour. I know today, I'm filming this October 4th, and today they actually announced their bag security program. So you can order any bag you want, any size, any color, no limits. You can order all of those bags and they'll be ready to ship by, I think they said like March 31st, which for me, I'm like, I may not even want the bag in March, you know what I'm saying? Or April is when you get it. So I wasn't a fan of that. The price doesn't go up or anything, but I just wasn't a fan of buying a bag now and not getting it until April. I may be on a whole different wave by April, you know what I'm saying? So I will just continue to look for the drops when I want other colors. But for now, I'm gonna stop talking, okay? Pause this video real quick, subscribe if you have not, and let's unbox this baby. Yay! So this is how she comes. Looks like that. You get a duster with it, which is really, really nice. And again, I did get the small and I got the shade navy. This bag cost $150 for the small one, and then they range up in price. I don't think they go past $250 or something like that. They're really not that expensive, but you know, Beyonce was seen wearing it one time and all of a sudden you can't get your hands on the bag, okay? And if you didn't know about Telfar also, I had a really shitty intro. I just thought about that. Telfar is a Black-owned brand. So very cool. And I always try to support Black-owned brands when I can. And I love that the price is also an affordable price for a high-end bag. $150. I mean, I guess it depends on what you'd call affordable, but for a high-end bag, I'd consider that affordable. So let's open this baby up. Oh, she's so cute. And the leather is soft. Ooh, I love it. I love it. So the exact name of this bag is the Small Navy Shopping Bag. And like I said, there's so many different colors on the website. You just have to be able to grab them once they drop, because again, they'll sell out in like an hour. This one sold out in about 50 minutes because I was watching it, and it literally sold out in like 50 minutes. So that's what she looks like. So you get It comes with just the carry straps like this, but then it also comes with the shoulder straps. And this comes in 3 different sizes. Like I was telling you, it comes in this size, it comes in the medium, and then it comes in the large. And I felt like the medium and the large were just too big for me. I would only be able to use those as like a work tote or a travel tote. And I have enough work totes and travel totes, so I thought the small would just be the cutest for when I'm going out or for a date or just running a few errands, anything like that. So one thing I don't like right now is that these straps are not removable. I mean, obviously you can just tuck them inside the bag and no one will know the wiser, but it takes up space in the bag, you know what I mean? So I wish the shoulder straps were removable and I could just carry it like this, but they are not. But the leather is very, very soft. I'll open it up for you guys. It has the Telfar symbol in the inside, and then you get like a little button, silver button closure. So you can just close it up like that. I'm gonna tuck the straps because this is how I will most likely be wearing it, with the straps tucked. See, I feel like it just takes up, like the straps will just take up too much space in here. So I may not be able to wear it with the straps tucked. I may have to wear it as a shoulder bag, or I may have to just let the straps kind of hang or hold on to the straps as I'm carrying it, which I don't really love, but I don't know. We'll have to play with that. So let's see what all fits, okay? So this is the bag. This is my iPhone 12 Pro. This is how big it is. So it's almost the same length, a little bit longer than the iPhone 12 Pro, but very similar. Now the Pro Max, it might be the same length as the Pro Max. So if you have a bigger phone, it may not fit. But my phone is in there and fits well. Phone fits. Let's see what else can fit. I would bring with me most likely a lip gloss or lipstick or lip balm. So I have the Fenty Pro Kisser lip balm right here. So I would most likely throw one of those in there. These days you also need hand sanitizer. So I have some of that sitting right here. Make sure it's closed before it goes in my bag. But I have some hand sanitizer gel sitting right here. So we'll just put some of that in there. So I also carry on me hand lotion. So I'm just going to drop the hand lotion in there. I would carry my wallet. I would probably carry a tiny card case like this for a small purse like this. So I'm going to put that in there. Always have a pen because you just never know. My AirPods stay on me at all times, and my keys. Now, the keys are going to be rough. I don't know. Oh, well, they fit on the top. I can't close it, but my keys do fit on the top. I would probably have to do some readjusting and like not close the bag if I were to put my keys in the bag. But if I'm going on a date, most likely my husband is driving, so I don't need keys. If we take the keys out, everything fits in here quite nicely and the bag does close. So there's everything. Look at it. It's falling out. There's everything inside the bag. So that's what it looks like. It's so cute, you guys. I just love how cute and miniature it is. I'm going to stand up real quick so you guys can see it on me, and just in relation to my body, you guys can see actually the size of it on my body. So So I do feel like it's the perfect size bag for like a day out shopping or something. You never want anything too big that's really going to disrupt you from the task at hand, and that is getting the best deals while you're out shopping. So I do like this size for that, and like I said, for date night or something like that. So I'm definitely happy with my purchase, especially for the price. I feel like the leather is good quality. It doesn't feel like it's gonna tear up in a week. This is a bag that you can definitely use over and over again and you'll have for a while. But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You'll have to let me know down below if you got your hands on a Telfar bag as well, and let us all know what you think about it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.